Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty luxury and long-haul performance with the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome. Built on one of the most iconic American truck platforms, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in strength, comfort, and commanding presence. Kenworth is renowned for its rugged build quality and premium craftsmanship, and the 2026 W1250 Motorhome elevates that reputation to a whole new level. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, custom-designed living area that blends classic American styling with modern luxury. High-grade leather seating, real hardwood cabinetry, and brushed metal accents create a bold yet refined atmosphere. The living area features a large flat-screen TV, a premium surround sound system, and wide panoramic windows that offer stunning views wherever the road takes you. The kitchen is fully outfitted with residential-grade appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and a built-in coffee station. The sleeping area offers a plush king-size bed designed for long-haul comfort, while the ensuite bathroom includes a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and ample storage, ensuring true home-like convenience on extended journeys. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 W1250 Motorhome commands attention like nothing else on the road. With its long hood, bold chrome accents, and unmistakable muscular stance, it delivers a timeless design rooted in classic American trucking heritage. The exterior features high-durability paint finishes built to withstand harsh conditions, while integrated LED lighting enhances visibility and style. A large power-operated awning extends the living space outdoors, perfect for rest stops or extended stays. Heavy-duty wheels, polished fuel tanks, and the iconic Kenworth badging reinforce its premium presence. Built on a reinforced chassis designed for durability and stability, this motorhome offers exceptional control despite its commanding size. When it comes to performance, the 2026 W1250 Motorhome is engineered for serious power and endurance. It's powered by a legendary Cummins X15 diesel engine, delivering massive torque designed for effortless highway cruising and confident climbing under load. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and air ride suspension, the W1250 provides a surprisingly smooth and stable ride, even over long distances. This motorhome excels on open highways, steep grades, and extended travel routes with ease. Advanced braking systems, stability control, and driver assist technologies help reduce fatigue and improve safety, making it a true long-haul luxury machine that prioritizes both performance and comfort. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 W1250 Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-premium segment, with prices typically starting around $650,000 and climbing well beyond that depending on customization. This is not a motorhome built for casual travelers, but for those who demand unmatched presence, durability, and bespoke luxury. The price reflects the heavy-duty engineering, handcrafted interior, and long-term reliability that Kenworth is known for. To sum up, the 2026 W1250 Motorhome is the ultimate fusion of heavy-duty trucking heritage and luxury RV living. Whether you're crossing continents or enjoying life on the open highway, the Kenworth W1250 Motorhome offers an experience few vehicles can rival. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.